What's up everyone? It's that time of the season again. Welcome back to our channel. It's Christmas and Jamaica is celebrating. Despite people saying many things about Christmas being cancelled, it goes on as usual and it's even bigger and better. So take a look at these videos and I'll be back with more reactions. Look here at how Jamaica is lit right now.
Even the sovereign in Mandeville knows how to act like it's in Mandeville. Man, oh my god, this is beautiful. Even the sovereign knows how to act like it's in Mandeville.
I don't think there's a Jamaican dish that's nicer than curry goat, but at Christmas time, it's so delicious. This is probably the most important dish on the Christmas table, so if they put you in charge of it, you don't really need me. If you're a first timer or somebody who doesn't cook this often, do not let me and you have anything. The goat should have been seasoned days before you're cooking it. And you're going to add small amounts of water throughout the cook until that meat is tender. Non-negotiable. You're going to re-season this pot after the meat is tender. You've been cooking this thing for an hour and a half to 2 hours. You need to re-up on the seasoning. I hope this shot gets you excited for Thursday because really and truly, nothing beats this on the table. If you're making this and you need a little help, go to jamdownfoodie.com. Happy cooking! Let's make a traditional Jamaican Christmas ham. I'm gonna start with
tomorrow I need 1 spoon of rice, 1 spoon of pasta. You can see me even in my mother fridge. International. Zebra, walrus, giraffe, hippopotamus. We don't want a chicken.
Other girls, you have to have a boo, we can cook barbecue, chicken with white rice and vegetable and everything. Yeah, some girl can cook, but each and everybody can run up and it's a fabulous food. That's how the food look good. Yeah, boo have to learn to cook, man. Cook good food and give man to eat. No restaurant food. You spend up on money, man. Yeah.
Me no care when nobody wants to say no. I have to do it. Me make sure say me go walk and bake piece of fried fish, bake piece of fried chicken, me cook stew chicken and me cook little curry shrimp, make the vegetable and the rice and peas. Yeah man, not only them time of area alone me have so much food. Me make sure say me take wash out from yesterday. Right now I feast, me go feast. I have no time to focus on people in them business.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. You all farmers is too well, and a fruit that needs the farm. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Who was farmers is too well, and a food was of time. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Who was farmers is too well, and a oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Who was farmers is too well, and a Jesus oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Who was farmers is too well, Merry Christmas to all Jamaica and the world.
The Christmas breeze, I think, is one of the most legendary
undefeated.
things.
I don't think people understand the love or the niceness of a good Jamaican Christmas breeze. Cause you know you're not freezing,
and everybody
but the breeze just good.
You know, and it's like a. So I think the Christmas breeze is similar to when Americans see like that first drop of snow.
Jump! I miss a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, God, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, God, Happy New Year. Remember she fuck, go boy, she fuck Jim Body, she fuck never once in the body for she fuck, go boy, she fuck Jim Body, she fuck never once in the body. Somebody tell Shona rest a little liquor front. Somebody tell Shona rest a little front. Yeah man, Merry Christmas, John. Honey, Swagland, and everyone, much love. Hey, eh? Dance, let me see. Dance, let me see. Let me see. All right. A junk could you sir?
When last I say real Jamaican Jankuno. Jankuno is one of the oldest dance forms in Jamaica. It's also practiced in Bahamas and Belize. It originated during the African slavery era and was named after the African Jankuno Festival. Jamaican Jankuno include bands playing drums, rattles, flutes, and even bottles and graters. Jankuno features costume characters such as King, Queen, Devil, Bitchy Patchy, Belly Woman, Owen, and Marcy. Children are always frightened of them.
Hello, I'm Nikisha Birchall, the Member of Parliament for South St. James, and I'm happy to be here at Harmony Beach Park, where the UDC has just staged a beautiful Christmas tree lighting ceremony. Listen to me, I didn't expect to see this many people here, but people came from all over St. James, and I must say, South St. James came down today to enjoy a little bit of the Christmas festivities. I think it is important for us to pause to celebrate things that pull us together. When we pull together as a community, as a parish, as a constituency, and as a country, we can beat any force that comes to divide us, like Hurricane Melissa. So I want to big up the UDC team. I want to big up the St. James team. I want to pick up all the residents who came out tonight and gather under the lights at the UDCP Park.
It's a real talk. Every year I'm there at Jamaica for Christmas, I feel like I miss out on something. Because Christmas at Jamaica just kind of hit different. You know, the people them different, the vibes them different. We have Grand Market and them thing there. But one of my favorite things are when the traditional Christmas carol them come on the radio and them do them over in a reggae. But my most favorite are the original Christmas Jamaican song them. One in particular, a Santa catch up in a mango tree. That are my favorite. Let me know in the comments which original Christmas Jamaican carol is yours. I know what I'm gonna say. Why you not go down your time for Christmas? That's because my job, unfortunately, them go by seniority. I'm usually don't have the seniority around that time of year, but may I get closer, so eventually I go start to that. So let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.
For the first time in nearly 30 years, the iconic Christmas lights along Fairbanks Drive in Mandeville will remain off. The street, once transformed into a glowing Christmas village filled with sparkling rooftops and thousands of twinkling lights, has gone dark this season. For homeowner Marcel Fenton, the decision is deeply personal. In July, her life changed after a passenger bus forced her off the road, leaving her with a fractured arm, 16 broken ribs, and months spent bedridden. Though grateful to be alive, she is still recovering and undergoing physiotherapy, unable to manage the demanding preparations the display requires. Beyond her own struggles, Fenton says the country is hurting. With many Jamaicans still picking up the pieces after Hurricane Melissa, she believes it would be insensitive to celebrate so publicly when others have lost so much. Her neighbors, the Harrisons, who joined the tradition years ago, have also decided not to light up. The cancellation has disappointed many who travel from across Jamaica and even overseas each year, especially since December 8th, the Fenton's wedding anniversary, was always the official switch-on date. But with health challenges, unstable electricity, and national hardship, the family says the lights simply had to wait. Though Fairbanks Drive is dark, the Fentons hold on to hope, helping storm victims, finding small moments of joy, and believing brighter Christmases will return.
It's just crazy, say Christmas and next week. Yeah man, last Christmas feel like just the other day. Got this point, I don't know why life feel like it older we get high faster time move. Like literally when we younger time neither move so fast. Brother to Christmas come fast this year, I'll come left in Christmas spirit. Cause me I tell you, believe I feel it this year I won't.
Hey guys, I just come out here to say that the people that were not there at Jamaica for Christmas, I'm so sorry. But on to regular programming. For the people them who are going to at Jamaica, apart from Zimmy and Sands, which other bikini party I keep, and yeah, like what the party them I keep at Ochi and all that. Like let me know because we're outside.
Thank you for staying with us until the end, guys. It's that time of the year, and this time we are talking about Jamaica. We are looking at what Jamaica has been doing during this Christmas period. Christmas in Jamaica is not a season. It's an experience. Even after the Hurricane Melissa, even with the challenges, Jamaicans are still celebrating. They are still looking and still vibing to that holiday spirit. Today, we are talking about how Jamaicans do Christmas, from traditions, food, to music, to what people are buzzing about right now. Let's go, guys. So, if you love culture, travel, food, reactions with actual meaning, hit the like, subscribe button as we dive into a Jamaican Christmas experience. Don't forget to comment. You can comment the Jamaican flag if you ever celebrated Christmas in Jamaica or want to visit one day. Christmas in Jamaica is a season. People start feeling it from late November. This is because of the experiences that people get, the different experiences while visiting the wonderful country. You hear Christmas songs everywhere. It's not just a night, but during mornings, markets, in the streets, and in shops. There's a cultural rhythm that's very different from any other country that you can visit in the whole world. Let's talk about the food because Jamaicans take Christmas food seriously, as you've seen in very many videos. There are very staple foods that include macaroni pie, stewed fried goats, jerk chicken, some make pork, and then we have festival bread or bammies, Christmas cake. There's a lot of black fruit cake. So these some of the foods that the Jamaicans celebrate. And of course, Jamaicans in the comments, you can drop some of the foods that you know that you guys mostly love. Jamaicans love these foods. The food alone could feed a whole village because Jamaicans they cook for joy during Christmas. As you've seen in the video, some people go really heavy on them. They cook a lot of food. It looks delicious actually. Christmas music in Jamaica is also very different from anywhere else. Yes, of course, there's classic Christmas songs, but there's also reggae Christmas songs, which hits different. Dancehall rhythms, which have been turned into holiday vibes, pure holiday vibes. And guys, local favorites that they sing to these songs along. They sing along to those songs, and it's actually a very different experience. That's why I've always said try and visit Jamaica sometime. You'll hear it in the homes, buses, in the yards. The music is literally part of the celebration. Now, here's the part that we have to touch on. Jamaica is still recovering from the Hurricane Melissa during this Christmas. Of course, people are saying that parties have been cancelled, but no, it was only the government parties and celebrations. But the public at large, they're still going. Families are gathering, and the holiday is even better and keeps getting on. It's still going on as very many people had planned. Christmas is resilient in Jamaica, so that's why people are determined to keep the spirit alive. Tourists are also still going to the country because you can't resist Jamaica. Christmas is not about presents in Jamaica, it's about family gatherings, big dinners, neighborhood cookouts, church services. Kids look forward to Santa giving them gifts, of course, sure, but adults are hyped about the food, the music, and the connection. Christmas Day itself, many Jamaicans spend it at home, but Boxing Day is also a whole movement, parties, beach trips, more food, and more vibes. For tourists who visit Jamaica, they always say two things. The hospitality in Jamaica is next level, and the vibe, the energy from the Jamaicans is unmatched. So if you are a tourist, you are in Jamaica right now, just tell us what is going on there, and I'm sure it's a positive experience you are experiencing. People there, they are welcoming. They want you to taste the sorrel, the food. They want you to have experience, dance to the rhythms. They want you to feel Jamaica, feel the whole experience. So that's why Jamaica is always on another level. Christmas is more than just a date, the 25th of December. It's a culture for them. It's resilience, color, flavor, and also connection. In this video, we had to talk about this because, of course, it's Christmas. I want to wish you all guys a Merry Christmas as you celebrate all over the world. And of course, drop a comment, tell us what you are celebrating, how you are celebrating, where you are, and then we'll get to the reactions together. Thank you for watching until then. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel because we'll be back with more. The new year, we are preparing for very many things to come. Thank you.